guys!
This is by Mima.
This is Arella. For today's video, meron akong question kay Arella, so we can check how smart she is. So here's the question, ha? If you could invent an animal, parang ito lalabasan na naman yun. If you could invent an animal, yeah, you draw it. And after you draw it, tell me what it is.
I'm red because I have my acrylic marker. I asked Mima, can you do that question? So she said,
sige, magdodraw si Arella ng animal.
I'm not very good at drawing, but I'll try.
Yan, hindi siya mag-drawing.
But I'll try to draw the...
Syempre, pag gumawa ka ng animal,
name it.
You name it, and ano bang tanong doon? Ano ang function niya sa Earth? Diba? Sa ating mundo, ano magiging help niya sa Earth?
Okay. So,
sige, mag-drawing ka muna.
I'm not actually good at drawing.
Me too. Mana ka kay Mima.
But some of my classmates can draw anime.
It needs practice. Practice, and syempre dapat mahilig ka doon.
Because we have club, every 1 month we have a club.
Ito.
We have a club, not the club for the adults, ha? For the sports. So I'll choose art club so I can enhance my drawing.
Sige, yes.
So I picked that one. Mima wants me to dance, but I want to enhance my drawing first.
Drawing skills.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's like I'm dirty with drawing. I'm dirty with my drawing.
Not good.
Yeah.
Ganon din si Mima. I'm not good in drawing din.
This looks like a leopard to you, but it's actually not.
Let's see kung ano yung natapos ni Arella.
I'll also see the purpose, how it works.
Sige. Okay.
So, I draw a zeblita.
You called it
Zeblita.
Zeblita.
So, the purpose for this...
Yes, Zeblita daw.
It's
so, parang siyang dog na...
It's mixed with a zebra, then a lion, then a cheetah.
Okay.
So, for the purpose...
Yeah, ano yung purpose niya sa Earth?
So, the zeb is it can walk. And the li is for if it's hungry, it will hunt food by itself. And then the ta, the zeb, it's for walking. Zeb and ta, they will adjust if they want to walk or if they want to run.
Okay.
But it cannot be the pet. Oh, no.
So wild siya.
Yes.
Wild animal siya.
But there's another one like this. It's only Zebmo. It's a monkey with a zebra.
Kino-combine na. Zeblita daw. Ang cute naman na din drawing mo. Well, nice naman. Wild animal yung naisip ni...
It cannot be your pet because...
Siyempre, pang wild siya eh.
But the teeth is not too sharp. It's like our teeth lang. And it has a tongue. But it cannot talk. It can... And you know what the sound? Woo!
Okay, so yun ang na-i-invent ni Arella ang animal. So, wild animal. Okay, nice. Okay. Thank you for the effort. Mahirap pa mag-isip.
Yung nga, iniisip ko, unicorn. Kaso may corn. Pagkain lang yun. Parang uno.
Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Diba? Ang smart ni Arella. Nagawa niya sa Zeblita. Thank you, bye. God bless.
Bye, God bless.